Hello there, glass benders of the world. I'm going to start to put more videos here on this channel, Neon Glass Bender channel. I've neglected this channel for a while, so I'm going to focus a little bit more on this channel. And what I'm going to put on this channel is tips and tricks for all the people that are learning how to do this beautiful craft of neon glass bending. If you want to learn, I give classes. I give classes in person, which are the best choice. You come here and you take the whole week of a neon glass bending classes, or I also have the classes in videos, which is for all the people that cannot come. So you have those two choices. So in this channel, what I'm going to put tips and tricks, or tips and advice, you could say, for all the people that they want to learn. So the tips are going to be different things, but all related to equipment and glass bending. So on this video, here, this is my tip. If you already have your table and your fires, but you don't have the pumping. So this is what I've seen some of the young glass benders. The closest young glass benders from here where I live is Los Angeles. What I've seen they do, they have all the equipment they have are the fires and the table. That's it. So they do all the bending. They get their neon art or sign done, and then they take it to a person that has a complete neon shop with pumping equipment, and then the bender there charges a little bit for the pumping, and they get the complete neon done. So that's a very, very quick way to do neon, because and inexpensive, because all this equipment, the ribbon fire, and you live somewhere where you don't have anybody around you. There's no neon shops. In that case, whatever, if you do something small that you can ship it to me. I'll pump it and then ship it back. That way you can have your neon done. Sometimes if you want to do large things are, anything above, let's say, 2 feet and more, then the shipping problem. So if you do small stuff that you can ship, send it to me, and I'll pump it, and then I'll send it back, and there you'll have your complete neon done. So if anybody out there wants to start learning to do this, what I tell everybody is, don't think that you cannot do it. Get it out of your head. It's only a matter of time, but you'll be able to do it. And what I've seen sometimes is, and a lot of people tell me, well, they tell me, I'll do it someday, maybe in the future. And then what they're considering, and in their case, because they probably, some of them are 20, 25 years old, 30 years old, you know. And they have the, how do you say it, they can say, maybe I'll do it in the future, you know, sometime in the future. But what happens, what they don't know, is that most of the teachers, including myself, we're old. I mean, for example, my videos are going to be around even if I'm already gone. My videos will be around because I'm gonna tell my family to keep on selling the videos, and I'm not planning on going anywhere anytime soon. But I don't have 20 years for sure. I don't have the luxury of saying maybe in the future. No. So my advice to all the young ones: take advantage while you can, because it's not going to be forever. I didn't know how difficult it is to get people to teach neon glass bending. There's a lot of glass benders out there. A lot of them do not want to teach. They simply don't have the time, maybe, or they don't have the patience, or whatever. I only know about one person, apart from me. He's in Los Angeles, that really teaches neon glass bending. There are other places that only give you, like it's a feeling of what this is, but they don't teach you. They don't do it with the goal of you learning. A real teacher will teach you so you learn how to do this. And it takes more than a week. I have the week-long class, 5 hours a day. But I tell all the people that come and take that whole week class, I tell them, you're going to need, after the class, you're going to need to practice. And if you have any problems, call me or come over, and I'll help you to figure out the problem that you have. So I tell everybody, after the week is done, that's not going to be the end of my relationship with the students, because I know that they're going to need, if they continue, they're going to need more guidance, more teaching, and it'll take several months for them to be independent of the teacher. So I'll be around, you know. I tell everybody that comes and takes the course, I'll tell them, I'm not going to let you go until you tell me that you don't need me anymore. I'll be available. If they come here there's been several students that live close to where I live. I live in Murrieta, California. They have come back. I have one student that came back for a year. She was constantly coming back on the weekends and practice and guidance, you know, and I think when somebody comes, you know, on a constant basis and they're here for a whole day, then we have to agree on a price for using the table for a whole day. But if they come just for an hour, there's no charge. Just for 1 hour, that's okay. No problem. So consider that I'm telling you, and for all you that want to learn how to do neon signs, I am available. I am available as long as I am alive. Whenever I die, I'll try to be available, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able. So there you have it for this video. Like I say, I'll have more videos. Neon glass vending topic. I hope you are interested. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.